Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here in East Legon Hills to show you this amazing townhouse property. Why don't you guys come along and take a tour with me? Should we go? Let's go. So this is a 4-bedroom townhouse. Let's head straight in and let's see what this house has to offer. You can see immediately as you come into the house, there's definitely an open plan concept going on, which is actually quite welcoming because as soon as you open the door, you're kind of welcomed by this really nice atmosphere. Right over here, we have our living space, which is really nice. We've got a fairly decent sized sofa here, which looks really nice and comfortable. We also have the TV area here. We have lots of windows as well, so you have lots of light flooding in here, which is something that I absolutely love. You guys know that I'm all about the light. I love it. It's great for your health. You've got to have enough windows when you have a house, right? So over here you can see as well, we have some space for a dining table, which is really, really cool. And I love this because it's right in front of the kitchen, so whoever's cooking actually doesn't feel cut off from the rest of the house. I mean, in this kitchen, you can see that you can pretty much see the whole surrounding area. So you in no way feel ostracized, okay? Now you can see as well, this kitchen's a fairly decent space, right? Okay, we have lots of space to move around. We have all our cabinets here. Plenty space. And to the side of the kitchen here as well, we also have some storage, which is really, really great. And I like this because it's actually understairs storage, but it is enough storage. So it's not too small where it's just the underspace size. Because if I was to go in here, you can see that it kind of goes in, but it goes around the corner as well. So you have lots of space in there, which is absolutely great. And you can see right here, we have this really nice outdoor space. This is great if you want to like pound some fufu or something like that. You can do this out here without interfering with the kitchen too much. I mean, what's wrong with having 2 kitchen spaces, right? Nothing at all, okay? And I did actually forget to tell you guys, right by the front door as well, there is actually a guest washroom, which is really, really handy if you have visitors over so that they can just access the toilet right there, okay? And now I'm gonna head straight upstairs. But while I'm on the way up, guys, please do pay attention to how this house has been decorated. I love the attention to detail. This is a beautiful mirror here, which I absolutely love. I'm actually gonna get one of these for my house because I just love the detailing around it. So you can take note of that. You're gonna see one in my house very, very, very soon. So without any further ado, let's head up to the first floor. So immediately we land onto this floor here. You can see that you have a really large area here. This landing space is a very decent size, okay? So if you like family area, this is a great place you can do that. Or you can decide to decorate it in a different type of way if you're not really into putting sofas here. I mean, you play with the space according to your family and your own needs and what your tastes are. Okay, but right over here, we do have a bedroom, okay, which is really quite nice. This is a decent sized room, right guys? This has got a double, no, this is not a double, this is a king or a queen, I don't even know. King or a queen size bed in here. And you can see that there's still plenty of space all the way inside, okay? Over here too, we also has an ensuite bathroom right behind me, which again is a decent sized space, okay? So we're not talking about being cramped at all. We've got lots and lots of space. As soon as I enter in here, I mean, like, you could have 2 people in here doing whatever they need to do and you wouldn't be bumping into each other, okay? No more of this sidestepping business. Plenty space here. Very, very usable, and I love that, okay? We also have a really nice dresser here, which is kind of cool, right? I love that. Dresser's always handy, huh? Now, just across the hall, we actually have the primary bedroom, which is just this way. But before we get to the primary bedroom, I'm going to show you something that I'm all about every single time, okay? Which is storage. as far as I'm concerned, you can never have too much storage when it comes to a house. And the reason for that is because we all have bits and bobs of things that we leave lying around over the place. And sometimes it looks a little bit messy. Let's be honest, guys, it does look a little bit messy. But right here, we have storage space. You can pack all those things into here, close the door, bish, bash, bosh, done. You know? So, the primary bedroom. You can see there is a lot of space. I mean, the other bedroom was pretty decent size, but this is a whole lot bigger. I mean, as soon as you walk in, you can tell that straight away that this is the primary bedroom. We have ample space here, okay? Lots of space around the bed. The bed you can see is massive. This is definitely a queen size or a king size. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into that debate. Very big beds, okay? And over here, right, what I love as well is the fact that we have storage space here for a walk-in closet, okay? So you can just have your shelves all fixed along here, have your clothes nice and tidied up out of the way. So right here we have our ensuite bathroom. Again, a decent sized space, okay? So we have our fancy shower going on here. We have window here as well if you want to let some light in, but maybe don't open it too wide. You know, you don't want anyone seeing what you're doing in here, right? Okay. Now over here we have our balcony area as well, which I really love because in the mornings, if this was my house, the first thing I'm going to do when I wake up is completely open up these curtains and just get lots of light flooding in to help wake me up. Probably sit down with a nice hot chocolate or something like that. Hopefully someone will bring me breakfast in bed or something like that. I don't know. We'll have to work on that one. But anyway, let's continue because this is a townhouse and so we have some more floors to be going up, right, guys? Let's go up again. We have another landing space here, guys. Okay, you could absolutely have a really nice big TV here and perhaps put a sofa here so you can have your children sit here and kind of have their time to themselves, and you have this space. Very, very nice and workable. Okay, and to the side of this here, we have another bedroom. Again, very, very, very decent sized space bedroom, okay? And this one again has an ensuite bathroom, which is absolutely amazing. You can see lots of space. I could definitely see this being a bedroom for a child. You could definitely set up some bunk beds in here. I can feel the flavor. I can definitely feel the flavor going on here, you know. Again, like I said, the washroom is over here. I think it's probably in line with the ones that we've seen downstairs as well. So we don't need to take too much time on there. But let's check out the other side, shall we? Now this house at every floor has some type of storage. So we have another storage room here. Again, you know, you put your stuff in here, close the door, no one knows, right? Great, okay. Right, and just through here is another bedroom. Again, very, very big space. Workable space. You put a really big bed in here, and obviously we've got lots of light. We have our mosquito nets here, we have our AC, we have everything that we need. Again, ensuite bathroom, which is absolutely awesome, right? Okay, and I'm going to say it one more time because this is a townhouse. Guess where we're going? We're going up again. What we do have here is a lovely kind of L-shaped balcony area. This is a really big space. I mean, just look. I can go all the way over here. So you can see it's a bit of a distance, right? This is a great place to have a barbecue, host people, have your own thing going on. And what I also like about up here, right, is the fact that these walls make it kind of private so it doesn't feel too intrusive like on your neighbors and stuff like that. So you could be doing your own thing up here and be in no one's eyesight, which is absolutely great. And we do have some really great views as well. You can see the whole stretch of Accra here, which is really, really nice, okay? I wouldn't mind waking up and sitting up here myself a few times a night, you know? Now, I know many of you are asking or wondering in your minds, okay, so what is the price of this house? This house is going for $250,000, which is negotiable. I will just say there are 5 houses here. 2 of them have already gone, so there are only 3 houses left. So if you are interested in this property at all, you have to send me an email quite soon to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and I will put you in touch with the relevant people. If there is any other information that you would love to know about this house, you can also leave your comment in the description box, or you can send me an email again, naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and I will respond to your queries there. Guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. This has been a great tour. I'm going to go back downstairs. I'm going to put my feet up for a little bit before I head home. I hope you've enjoyed it. Guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Papa.